Hi, welcome back everyone. This is me, Rooney Lin, and today's Sunday, the end of the weekend after another busy month of March again. But this Sunday is probably the last weekend date as I'm recording today in March. But anyway, let's go back this online activity straight back to brilliant.org as previously. So as I'm displaying on the screen to you, everyone is the brilliant.org homepage here, home tab. This 23 consecutive day streak after early exercise completion on Sunday. No need this premiere. I'll not explain it once again. And then this, what is the current league for myself here? It is Einsteinium League. 5 hours left, so just a couple more hours before this weekly session comes to an end. If I expand, so these are the standings of every single league participant, how much XP they have collected since they entered the league from beginning of the week. So I'm in 8th place, quite phenomenal so far for me. And scrolling all the way down, bottom 10 here will return to previous league, down to this lower one for the next campaign. So all these ranking positions highlighted in red, to be honest, they would drop down a league. Anyway, the exercise today, what I'm going to do today is called Programming with Functions Level 2, kind of some warm-up questions that I haven't shown. Display this home tab page preview with this perfect icon session for quite a long time, but okay, I'm here once again, like several weeks away, several weeks absence. So this one is what I'm going to do now. So I'll click this stop button to begin. Alright, as usual, 3 warm-up questions to encounter along the way. Here's question number 1. Diagnose the problem. What's wrong with this black dash gray dash white function? Alright, let's read it. Every y value less than 85, 0. Of course, specifies but doesn't actually return a value in some cases. Only this line 3 returns 0 for the first condition, not second and third in lines 4 and 6 respectively. So doesn't return in some cases might be correct problem explained here. Let's check. Of course, it's correct. Why? Yes, here it is. The explanation tells us that in the last 2 branches of the conditional statement here, lines 5 and 7 respectively, this function overall specifies a value here, but doesn't return it. Of course, without return execution here, there's no kind of output showing you back. So kind of a particular problem you've just figured out by yourself that I've just presented. I'll close and continue to move on to the next problem. Yes, here's one more question number 2. Fix the black dash gray dash white function. It should return a value in every branch of the conditional statement. Here, def black value. If value less than 85, return 0. That's correct. Else if value less than 170, this would be this, and else this. Right, let's check it now. Of course, simply correct as expected. Why? Yes, there you go. Explanation now tells us that lines 5 and 7 have been modified to actually return the specified values. Now the function simply returns a value in all cases. Alright, at first line 3 is correct, but line 5 and 7 are not, so I have to fix these execution lines issues as you should, yeah. Now properly fixed, then output are now appropriately given to all of you. I'll close. Continue, probably the last question to be encountered right now. Right, this is warm-up question number 3. Wait, I'm not scrolling down at the moment. I'll read it out. Filter the image. Apply the black dash gray dash white function to every single pixel. I mean, every pixel present in this specified image. Let's see. For pixel and image, it should be like this. Pixel, black, gray, white, pixel. It should be, The rest indicated lines present should not be altered. Just this line to define it. Alright, let's check it, shall we? Oh yes, this is once again correct, luckily. Why? Yes, here's the explanation tells us that this program loops through every pixel present in the image. As it loops, it changes the value of every pixel to the output of the, what's that? Black dash gray dash white function. Right, only this line 2, pixel to identify here this execution line black to gray to white with bracket pixel is specified. Only then remaining execution lines 4 to 9 throughout will be run as usual. So if I close it, yes, the image should have some adjustments being applied to it, right? So that's the end of today's warm-up exercise. I've encountered 3 out of 3 questions successfully correctly answered. Yeah, so I'll click on this finish tab to conclude this session for today. Perfect. Let's keep the momentum going. As usual, I've gained, what's that number? 55 XP in total. Simply incredible today. Right, continue. Just skip this one. Here. Wait a second. There we have it. What's the chapter called that I've just displayed? It's called Programming with Functions. What's the objective? To master the fundamentals of writing modular code, plus key to building scalable software. Right. Just here. I scroll down, inverting colors previously done here with a checkbox applied. Tinkering with functions, the next exercise, but I'm not going to present that exercise with live recording here. No, I'm not going to do that today. Sorry that time is running out. Anyway, thanks very much for watching this educational recording video that I've presented. If you enjoy, then please add a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more, of course. But I'll still keep on track recording these weekly brilliant.org online recording videos in the future, like every next few days or so. So you as an audience still keep on track with a subscription, that you can still looking forward to my upcoming videos that I will be recording and appear later as a further announcement, to be honest. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video, guys. Right? Take care, guys. Cheers. Bye for now.